Have you ever felt like the prosperity and financial security you seek is somehow always out of reach? Have you ever wondered how you're supposed to get ahead financially when there's a trade war or a real war, when inflation and recession are both threatening your nest egg from both sides? Maybe you've thought about investing, maybe even trading, but maybe something held you back. The fear of a market crash, the fear of losing money, or maybe you just didn't know where to start. Here's the thing most people don't realize. Wall Street has been lying to you, and it's been costing you dearly. You've probably heard the myth that 10% per annum return is a fantastic return. You've probably been told slow and steady wins the race. But what if that's the biggest lie keeping you stuck? My vision is to help everyday people live more joyful, inspired lives by relieving the financial stress that weighs so many of us down. And my mission is to revolutionize how finance is taught by shattering the myths Wall Street has peddled for decades to keep people dependent, passive, and disempowered. Because here's what the data shows. Grow $10,000 at 10% per annum and you'll have about $16,000 in 5 years. But compound that same $10,000 at 5% per month and you'll have over $350,000. That's not just nice, that's life-changing. I'll show you exactly how to pursue those kinds of returns consistently and with confidence in just a moment. But first, let me share with you the moment everything changed for me. It was 2007. I was head of the markets desk at Goldman Sachs. Lovely house in North Bondi, black convertible BMW. I thought I was hot stuff. Then came 2008. The global financial crisis hit like a wrecking ball. I was running the desk, working 16-hour days on a trading floor that felt like a war zone. The phone never stopped ringing. Everyone was panicking. And you know what? I was still drinking the Wall Street Kool-Aid. I believed the strategists and analysts who swore the bottom is in, and I kept buying the market all the way down. The S&P 500 dropped 50%, and I lost well over half my net worth. Now, if I'd known then what I know now, what I'm going to share with you, I could have retired comfortably at age 36. But instead, it took losing a 7-figure fortune to wake me up. A few months later, I was having a beer on a warm Sydney evening with a colleague, a proprietary trader at Goldman. And I told him about my disastrous year in 2008, expecting a sympathetically dismal response from him. Instead, he said, "Simon, 2008 was my most profitable year ever." Now, that hit me like a thunderclap. While I was busy losing everything, someone else was thriving. Same market, same strategy, very different outcome. It was in that moment I realized something painful. I wasn't as good as I thought I was. I didn't know what I didn't know. But I wanted to know. I needed to know. So I began to study. I threw out everything I thought I knew and I just began to observe with a fresh pair of eyes. To test. Every night after work, I sat at my Bloomberg terminal, developing a system that could work in any market condition, rising, falling, or sideways. Eventually, I developed a strategy, and then a methodology, and ultimately, a complete system for wealth creation. I call it the Tao of Trading. Now let me show you what the Tao of Trading has done for me. In February 2020, just as COVID hit global markets, I made 24% that month. Then in March 2020, I made 36%. That's 50% in just 2 months, while the rest of the world was panicking. And I wasn't just lucky, I followed my system to the letter. I went on to generate over 360% returns in 2020 without reckless risk, without even swinging for the fences. Now pause for a moment and imagine that was you. Imagine growing your portfolio by 50% in just 60 days while others were losing theirs. If you had $100,000 invested, that's an extra $50,000 in 2 months. What would that mean for your life, for your family? Today, I want to share with you the 3 key principles that underpin the Tao of Trading. These are the same principles I teach in my best-selling book, and they're the reason people from all over the world, from all walks of life, have been able to grow wealth with confidence regardless of market conditions. The first principle, profit in any market. Learn to generate consistent income in both rising and falling markets. You'll never fear a bear market or recession again. Principle 2. Manage risk like a pro. Avoid the catastrophic losses that destroy accounts. My low-risk, high-returns approach helps you sleep well at night. Principle 3. Master the trader's mindset. Adopt the psychology of consistent winners, resilience, patience, and consistency, and ditch the stress and second-guessing. Trade wars, real wars, inflation, recession, it's never been more important than right now to take control of your financial future. By the way, if you're ready to stop outsourcing your financial destiny, join my free live workshop on Thursday, 26th of March 2026, and learn the wealth-building skill AI can't replace. You don't need to be a Wall Street insider. You don't need to predict the future. You don't need to settle for 10% per year. You just need the right system, one that works, one that's been tested, and one that I've spent the last 15 years mastering, so you don't have to. Let's do this. Click below and register today.